Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you 6 passive income ideas 2023. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Invest your cash. If you've got cash for an prematurely funding and need to installation a passive profits move, a not unusual place method is to make investments finances wherein you can see will increase with inside the marketplace for big returns for your preliminary funding. Commercial actual property making an investment, particularly actual property funding trusts, or rights, dividends and capital profits with inside the inventory marketplace, in particular through deciding on mutual price range, index finances, or high dividend shares through a brokerage, or making an investment in a nearby small enterprise, or co-op are not unusual place alternatives for fascinated buyers with precise monetary goals. 2. Publish a book. Writing a e-book calls for a whole lot of prematurely paintings, whether or not it's a tutorial guide, a memoir, a novel, a self-assist e-book, or a poetry collection. However, in case your finished paintings is published, you could earn passive profits via income or royalties. While you may ship a question to residents the e-book with a prime publishing agency, self-publishing the paintings as an ebook is a first-rate manner to make sure book and get you on the street to income's residual earnings. 3. Generate hobby cash. Interest cash refers to a small percent of your financial savings account stability that banks or different economic establishments pay you to maintain your enterprise. It's a completely small quantity of everyday passive earnings. Many humans store round for banks with better hobby rates, like people who provide high-yield financial institution accounts, to make the maximum of this sales circulation. 4. Create a web course. If you've got a specific location of expertise, create a passive sales circulation via way of means of growing a web educational direction round it, for instance, videos, workbooks, podcasts, downloadable content, or different virtual merchandise that fascinated college students can buy. Assembling evergreen content, constantly applicable content, on your online path may be labor-intensive. However, as soon as it's created, you may promote it indefinitely. 5. Affiliate marketing. If you're into online running a blog or have a good-sized social media presence, you may set up a dating with particular services or products in an associate marketing strategy. As an associate, the blogger or influencer runs an organization's commercials or promotes their merchandise on their weblog or social media channels, and the enterprise offers them a percent of the income. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.